Hi everyone, it's Joni at Granny J Clay, and I'm doing an experiment today. Just started it, and I thought I should bring you in on this just to see what happens, see if it works. So I rolled out some, actually that's a Fimo white clay that I had, and this is one of my embossing folders, and I'll show you what I did with it. Let me set this up here a little ways. So this is basically an experiment. We'll see. I'm going to pull out my ink. Let's see where we put it. There it is. And it's the purple archival ink. It's the acid-free permanent ink waterproof. So this is what I did. I just rubbed it over the debossed part and the embossed part. Just wanted to get it, pick up whatever was standing up, and just rubbed. So this is, sometimes when I do this, do you see how these little threads come off of the ink pad? Anyway, let me do this side again too, so it's all refreshed. Make sure I don't leave any threads on there. And then I'm going to put my ink away, and I'm going to just slip this into here. Okay, and now I'm going to bring this over, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my little soap so I can rub over it and just press on it. You could do it with your hands too if you wanted to, but this seems to work really nice. I just kind of burnish it a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to see what side that I like the most. These are pine trees or pine branches, and so that's why I used white. And you know, they don't have to be green. I know they grow green, but you can make them any color you want, like I did. Okay, so I did that side pretty much. Now I'm going to come over and I'm going to make sure I rub this side too. It'll be interesting to see which side I like the best. And then from here, where I go with this, we'll see. You know, there are so many days I come down here and I just start to play with the clay, have no idea what I'm going to do. But like today, I like purple and I wanted to get some color here, and so this is what I just decided to do. And white is always a good background. All right, let's see how we did. I'm gonna just kind of pull that corner up a little bit and just kind of lean it against my chest or tummy here, and just little by little pull it off. Oh, that's pretty. And then we'll just pull it off of here too, very carefully. You know what? I might have to go from this end. It's really stuck. Okay, here we go. I see it pulling up the clay a little bit. All right, and it did pull off some of it, but ooh, I like that. Oh, you know what? I like both of the sides. I think I'll use that side though. That seems to be my favorite. And then what you want to do is wipe your embossing folder off right away. Although because I'm doing this, I'm not going to. I'm going to lay it over here and I'll get it in just a minute. And I have done that as well, but it comes off better if you get it off right away. And as you can see, it's not quite as bright as the other. Let me bring it down a little bit. It's not quite as bright as when I rubbed it onto the embossing. There's an embossing side and a debossing side. So, but you can still see it. It's pretty. It's kind of a very light violet, I guess is what you might call it. A light violet. Isn't that a pretty color? All right, I'm going to let you see this side too. That's pretty as well. Kind of looks like snow on the ground there. This is too hard to pick. I don't know. I like that side, and I like that side. I think I do like this other side better, though. Okay. But maybe as I go ahead from here, I maybe want to, will want to use the other side as well. Now, when you do this, of course, you're not going to add a back to it because you want it to show. You want that pretty part to show when you're done with it. So I ran this piece of clay through on a 0, which is my widest setting. And I can't seem to get it in the middle here. There we go. And so I'll just leave it at that. And whatever I make, I'll just leave it at this. Yeah, at the 0. So now I've got to think about it a little bit. You can tell I'm still trying to choose almost. What side do you like better? Do you like the purple back or the white back? The white is really pretty, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to give it some thought, and then I'll make something out of it and show you what it was later on. I know this is a little odd video, but I just wanted to include you. So I'll see you a little later. Bye-bye.